Hi, welcome back NextTech Spark.
Hey everyone, welcome back to NextTech Spark, the place where we simplify tech and video editing just for you. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a smooth fade to black effect in Filmora. This transition is perfect for adding a clean, professional finish to your videos, whether you're ending a scene, wrapping up a vlog, or creating dramatic storytelling moments. Even if you're a complete beginner, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process. We'll explore how to apply the fade effect, adjust the timing to your liking, and make your video look polished and cinematic. So, open up Filmora and follow along with me. And hey, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on future editing tips from NextTech Spark. Let's get started.